There's some chicken tenderloins, some Applewood smoked bacon. I should do that a little bit better under the camera. And I am doing chicken teriyaki wrapped in bacon. Right, this time we'll do it under the camera. All right, I like to shoot short videos, so let me finish it up. Wait for it. And what do you know? It worked out perfectly. Had some sausage also. I grabbed that, I figured that. Let's just throw some extra meat in here and freeze it and use it on another date. Hot Italian sausage, 2 12-ounce packages. Now what we're going to do is pour that teriyaki over the top. Didn't use it all. I'm going to wait a minute, let it soak down a little. And this is for all my haters. Chicken teriyaki wrapped in Applewood smoked bacon. It's in the right spot. Press that one button. We're good to go. My dinner. Love it.